For questions 3 and 4, we are subtracting and adding the polynomials, which basically is just a combining like terms question. So with 3, because it's a subtraction one, I'm going to rewrite it, and I don't need to change any of my signs in my first one, but I need to change every one of my signs in the second one. And I need to start combining like terms. So my y to the 5th term, 12 plus 10 is going to be 22. My y to the 4th term, there is no other y to the 4th term, so this one has nothing to combine with. So I'm actually just going to carry that down. The y cubed, is there a y cubed term? Yep, over here. That's the only y cubed term. So that's just going to get carried down. My y squared terms, it's negative 3 minus 3, so that'll be minus 6. The y terms are 6y, and that's it. So I'm just going to bring that down. Then lastly, the constants, I have plus 7 and minus 14. So 7 minus 14 is a minus 7. And just double checking my work, and that'll be our final answer. With question number 4, because it's a plus, I don't need to worry about changing any of my signs. X squared y, those can only be combined with other x squared y's. So a negative 4 plus 7 is going to be 3, and then again I need to copy the x squared y. This is an xy, this is an xy term, so this is like a 1xy plus 8xy is going to be 9xy. And that'll be your final answer.